Hello everyone, I am Roshni Jain from RSJ Polytechnic Shirpur. Today we are going to discuss about the topic percentage. So what is percentage? Which is nothing but per 100. So your denominator will always be 100 in percentage. That's the main meaning of the percentage. So what you call numerator here? So numerator will call it as a rate percent. Let us see the example. What is the 15% of the rupees 34? There are four options are given here. Let us see the solution. 15% of the rupees 34, which is equals to, so 15% means 15 is the rate percent of the numerator. So 15 upon 100 into 34, which is equals to, so calculating this term, so answer is 5.10 rupees. So answer D is the correct option. Next, a man buys a cycle for rupees 1400 and sells it at a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the cycle? There are four options are given here. A is 1090 rupees, B is 1160 rupees, C option is 1190 rupees and D option is 1202 rupees. Let us see the solution. So selling price is equals to, observe the question, a man buys a cycle for the rupees 1400 and sells it at a loss of 15%. So 15% loss for the rupees 1400. That's why selling price is equals to 85% of the rupees 1400, which is equals to 85 upon 100. So 85 is the rate percent of the numerator. So 85 upon 100 into 1400, which is equals to, so calculating this term, 1190 rupees. So option C is the correct answer. Next, in a fraction, if numerator is increased by 40% and denominator is increased by 80%, then what fraction of the original is the new fraction? Again, there are four options are given here. A is 1 upon 2, B is 7 upon 9, C is 7 upon 18 and D is none of these. Let us see the solution. Let the original fraction be the x upon y. Then the new fraction, which is equals to, observe the question. If numerator is increased by 40%, so increase means added. So increase by 40%, so 1 plus 40 upon 100. Divide by, denominator is increased by 80%. So can be written as 1 plus 80 upon 100, which is equals to, so cross multiply the term, 100 into 1 is 100 plus 40. So 140 upon 100. That's why can be written as 140% of the x. Divide by, again same, cross multiply the term, 100 into 1 is a 1. 100 into 1 is 100 plus 80. So 180 upon 100, which is equals to 180% of the y. In the next step, so 140x upon 180y, which is equals to 7x upon 9y. Now to find what fraction of the original is the new fraction. So therefore new fraction upon original fraction, which is equals to 7x upon 9y upon x upon y, which is equals to, in the next step, 7x upon 9y into y upon x. This is a reciprocal term of the x upon y into y upon x, which is equals to, so cancel the x term as well as y term, which is equals to, remaining term is 7 upon 9. So option B is the correct answer, which is 7 upon 9. Next, Alfred buys an old scooter for the rupees 4700 and spends rupees 800 on its repairs. If he sells the scooter for rupees 5800, his gain percent is what? Again, there are four options are given here. Let us see the solution. CP is a cost price. First, observe the question. Alfred buys an old scooter for rupees 4700 and spends rupees 800. So cost price is equals to 4700 plus 800, which is equals to 5500, and if he sells the scooter for rupees 5800, so selling price is equals to 5800. Now to find his gain percent is what? So gain percent is equals to gain into 100 upon cost price, where gain is equals to selling price minus cost price, which is equals to selling price is 5800 minus cost price is 5500, which is equals to 300. Put the value in the gain percent formula, which is equals to gain is 300 divided by cost price is 5500 into 100%. So after calculating this term, which is equals to 300 divided by 55. If we divide 300 by 55, so quotient is 5, remainder is 25 and divisor is 55, which is equals to, in the next step, 5 plus, so divide this term by 5, so 5 upon 11, and this term can be written as, which is equals to, this is another form of this term, 5 of 5 upon 11%, so option B is a correct option. Now in the next video lecture, we learn the another concept of the aptitude with examples. Okay, thank you.